All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol COHO. I'm actually pretty shocked we have not looked at this one before. I know that the board gets pretty active over here on investorshangout.com as well. So, yeah, shout out to you guys. Thank you for your support, and we appreciate you guys coming over here to use a forum. But that being said, I'm looking back in here in this area. Look at this area. It's been traded in 2014. Where is that at? Yeah, so 2013 in this general area. 2014, and then 2015. But look at it, it likes to move off of it. That's my point. That's why I'm looking back at that. Look at that. 2014, it did it twice. 2015, 2016, and it comes right back down to this level. Is it setting up again? Watch it. That's my personal opinion right here. On this one, you guys are currently above all simple day moving averages right now, which were those key points at 0011. Watch this. I do like the way that's setting up. The interest is picking up here, and the chart's starting to turn bullish for the first time since I wouldn't even rule this one too far out either. Really for months. I mean, you got one little week here of a stretch, but besides that, you've guys, let's see, November, December, and January, February, March, 5 months, and the stock's starting to turn bullish again. I'd keep an eye on it. Volume is starting to pick up more steady here. Yesterday, you guys had 13 million shares, 26 million shares yesterday. My apologies. And then today, 5.6 million. Looks like today's going to catch up fairly quick to that area as well. That being said, watch it. This volume continues. You guys break that 17 game on, in my personal opinion. Yes, looking back here. I would watch for a break of the 0017. You guys get that. Put this one on your radars.
All right, so these guys right here, they're pink current, and I'm seeing a press release from March 10th. It was Crednology Holding Corp. announces another California recycling contract, and it was, let's see, Crednology Holding Corp. is pleased to announce that California Recycling Incorporated, Crednology's wholly owned subsidiary, has signed a long-term, multi-year contract to provide the city of Torrance with data shredding, destruction, and recycling for the city, its residents, and business community. This is the second contract with the city of Torrance following its agreement to provide e-waste collection for the city. The contract runs through January 30th, 2020. The scope of work provides for the company to handle the shredding of all documents and data destruction events the city holds, with the first event to be held around Earth Day on April 29th. The city has agreed to promote these events and our shredding and recycling efforts. It is anticipated that more than 15 tons of paper will be shredded on site at the first event. Ori Rickman, CEO of Crednology Holding Corp., commented, "This new contract with the city of Torrance is very exciting. It proves that our service and professionalism is enabling us to grow the revenues of an EBITDA of the company. Please keep watching for more exciting news as our business continues to grow with exciting large new contracts that are currently in negotiation." So about Crednology Holding Corp. Crednology Holding Corp. is a Delaware corporation, is a public holding company that has been dedicated to enhancing shareholder value through a strategic combination of organic growth, mergers, and profitable acquisitions. The company is engaged in the cloud computing segment of the technology sector, as well as the electronic waste and recycling business. The main products and services include cloud computing and virtual environment, disaster recovery and business continuity, and management services to corporate accounts, as well as recycling and disposal of e-waste and other materials. The market for cloud computing is growing at a staggering pace. In 2015, the industry experienced a rapid growth of 33%, with the segment of business reaching over $16 billion by the year end. This market trend is expected to continue, with the growth of approximately 30% expected annually for the next few years. E-waste is growing at a significant pace, with double-digit increases anticipated annually over the next few years. All right, so that's a little about this company itself. So if you want to continue doing some due diligence on Crednology Holding Corp., you just go right over to that COHO board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that board.
All right, so again, this is all the stuff that Joe just went over. Time and sales. Remember, you get that completely free over here on investorshangout.com. So why pay others for it when you can get it here free? We see a lot of people actually posting this information on the boards here when they're trying to keep track, especially if you come home from work. You work and you try to trade on the side, you can go through and see every trade. So as far as the chart goes, again, 0016, watch for a break of 0017, technical analysis alert, chart setting up right now, in my opinion. If you break that 0017, this thing is going to go on a technical analysis alert if everything remains the way it is now. Remember that with the volume and the buying pressure, if you guys pop through that 17, if you see a 18, really watch it, because it'll go on a technical alert full blast. Then everything will be set up as far as my technical alerts go. But I'm just letting you guys know, might be a few days ahead, but just watch for it. Watch for it for sure. So again, if you're watching this video, it's your first time, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with this hot stock and all the others that we cover. If you have a hot stock you would like to share with us for us to take a look at, head over to investorshangout.com/live.